Hello darlings, welcome back to Dear Denise Diary. Today we are unboxing some jewelry. This particular jewelry company claims that their jewelry does not tarnish. The prices are really affordable, so I don't know what they're using. When it comes to jewelry, I absolutely love gold. And I open this is what you see. Nevaeh. So I think you can choose, is it 7 pieces or 11 pieces? They have a deal like that where you can choose some amount of pieces and then they sell it. I think I took the maximum amount of pieces. I haven't really read through since I ordered this, so I don't even know how many I ordered for, but yeah, I'm sure the receipts can help. So this particular bundle that I bought, it comes with a free jewelry box, and it also came with this in there, and then this says thanks for your order. Come in pouches like that. So I'm going to take each pouch out so we can have a look at it. It's about 6 of them, 6 pouches. So pouch number 1. Now this is a bracelet. It's a bracelet. Look at that, it's a bit springy. That's interesting. Let's pop that on. Look at that, that is so cute. So that's our first one. Our second one in there is this. It's another bracelet. Let's see how that goes. Oh, look at that. It's, I don't know if you can see. I think it should go from here to there, but it's not quite making it. Look at that. This cannot get to it, so I think we may have to use that, but I would prefer if this is there. I don't know. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna have a go at putting it on. Finally got it. I wish you could put it on. Can you see it here? Oh, come on. I wish I could put it on and it would just be this tight. Like, anyway, but it's loose, it's this way. I wish this could be hanging, you know, this little one, but this is how it is. Not too bad, but you really need somebody to help you put it on. This is the second pouch. Okay, this looks like a necklace. They look thinner than I thought. So there's this one, this one. Can you see it? I'll try and pop this on. This should be easier than the bracelet. Ooh. Man on the streets, can you help me put my necklace on? Okay, it's not working. Let's try it this way. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it here until the man on the streets comes to help me. Okay, then we have this one. If I can't put the other one on, I doubt I'll be able to make this one. So this is the second one. Let's open the third pouch. They're cute. Look what they've written on it. That's their name, and then they say ruled by passion. Ah, these are rings. I actually bought a ring sizer just to be able to buy these ones. So there are 3 rings in here. Can you see them? 3 rings, and they're cute. So this one, like that. And then this one, I'll pop it here. I think you can even wear it. Oh, it's stuck. Even wear it like that as well. And this one, I think I'll pop that on the last finger. That one I couldn't get a size because it comes one size because of that opening there. So we pop that on. There we are. They are really cute. Look at them. Can you see? Okay. So pouch number 4. Oh, there are earrings as well. I forgot. So that's one earring and one necklace. This one should be easy to put on. Look at this one. It is cute. I like it. I like it quite a lot. There's plastic on it. I need to remove it. Oh. Yeah. Yep. That's it. Oh, so cute. This one. So I bought this because I have jewelry from Ghana, handmade Ghana gold jewelry, and they are in the Adinkra symbols, and this fits in so well with them. So that's it. Here we go. They're not too bad at all. I think when I put it together with the other ones here, they'll look really cute. Pouch number 4. So how many have we got now? 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So this pouch, I have this one. This I think matches with this. So yeah. Oh. I have to figure out how to put it on. I cannot do it this. I believe it should be able to open some way somehow in order to fit on my hand. I don't know what to do. Oh, I can see there is some sort of allowance there to allow it to open, and there, but I'm not able to. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. Okay, I don't know how to put this one on. I'll have to figure it out. And then the last pouch, which is pouch number 6. Another bracelet, yes. I'm gonna pop that on here. Ouch, scratchy. Okay, so if I push this here, and this here, this one is just gonna be loose. So this is how that looks like, along with all this. I think it looks cute, doesn't it? Another bracelet. This is really cute. Look at it first. Like, it's black and white. I think it's so cute. I don't know why this is facing here. It should face this side. Anyway, let's see the logic in there. See, it's going last unless I do it. Okay, let's just do this, and then see, when you look at it, you want this to come all the way here, ideally to come here, but it's so short. I think we need like at least 2 or 3 of this, you know, just to make it longer and get this in there. So I don't know, I need help. B, can you help me please? Well, hello, welcome home. Thank you, good timing. I was calling a man on the street to help me with my bracelets, but he didn't come, so you're my man on the street.
Call a man on the street to help you with
Well, yeah, I don't think he heard me though.
I'm gonna get a random.
You are not here to help me.
It's right here, right?
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so
The amount of gold you're wearing makes you look like an Indian.
that's it. So this is the bracelet, but you see, ideally, if I can get this to go in here, B, come try something for me. But I think even if it does go in there, it's gonna be really tight. I'm probably gonna faint and die somewhere. So I think we'll leave it. I was thinking, well, I need help with this one. That's what I was calling the man on the street. You are my man on the street.
That's not a bracelet.
This one for my necklace.
That's not a bracelet, that's a necklace.
Yeah, I know, but and then the last one.
Why you wear so much gold?
Thank you so much. So guys, here we are all together. So that's there, and that's that one, and here we are. Look at this. Let me stand back. You can see everything. See this one, it's not really showing off. It's not really showing off the way I want it to, because it's just, look there. Okay, so quite honestly, I love this jewelry. They're all beautiful, and if it doesn't tarnish like they're saying, that would be wonderful. They look really nice, like they look like real gold. You know, some things you buy, they say it's gold, it comes and looks a little bit like copper, or sometimes it just doesn't, the gold doesn't gold properly, if that's the word. These ones, they look really nice, and there we are. And this, and we have this one. So look at that, you literally probably have to wear it like that. Ideally, I think the only issue that I have with all this is, one, this is difficult. I don't know how to open it. I still haven't figured out, you know, I'm literally yanking it and I feel like I'm gonna break it. It doesn't come with instructions. It will help. The way it's, this goes over that, it doesn't, and that goes under. I don't think it's opening here. It has to open, it has to open somewhere there or here, and then you probably put it in. But I'm really pulling hard, it's not doing anything, so I'm just gonna leave that for now. These ones, you know, quite honestly, it would be nice if you have like two or three more of this, just to get you to join it, just to get you to join it like that, you know, just two more or so. It will look really nice. And I don't think my, this in my hand, or my wrist rather, I don't think it's that big that this is like that. And then with this, so when you're wearing it, it keeps going like that when you want to show that's off, you know. So that this will also benefit from having extra of this, just to get it together here, really just one or two to get, so you can show that off as well. So anyway, Okay guys, so this is the end of my unboxing because it's all finished now, all empty. And this one, I'm sorry I couldn't put it on for you to see, but it's really pretty as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. To your comments down below. Have you ever bought from this company before? Yeah, and if you know how to open this, let me know. I need to open it. I want to wear it. It's cute. All right, so until next time, bye for now. Thank you so much for your time.